Landmines aren't very forgiving. They're put there with a purpose to kill and maim. And they don't discriminate between man, woman or child. They just go on killing. They don't know the war's over. I was an engineer in Vietnam and I was involved in something like 18 and 19 mine incidents, so I've seen firsthand what landmines do. I suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder, and the fact you go in the minefield and see them find the mines and whatever, and I've done so myself here, I get a lot of satisfaction out of that happening, because each mine you take, it's one that's not going to blow some poor bastard's legs off, or worse, kill them. Well, I came over here in 2002 and I saw the plight of the bloody village people as far as landmines are concerned. I went back to Australia, raised money for the first mine detector, and I came over and met Akira, of which I gave him the mine detector. At that stage of the game he was still working with his toes in the stick finding landmines. And it's just evolved from that. We've now got 21 detectors in country, and even though I'm just about to turn 60, I want to kill a few more landmines before I die.